How deep can you go in just a breath? Are you ready to discover a new way to dive? Roatan Freediving School offers courses from beginners to master levels, training as well as optional coaching. Roatan Freediving School, the first and only freediving center on Roatan, is also the organizer of the annual International Caribbean Cup.
Located in the heart of West End, Splash and Dive Center and Roatan Freediving School invite you to discover new experiences. Splashin' is the only dive center on Roatan offering fun dives, beginners to instructor dive courses, as well as freediving school and training center.